Here are 6 sweet signs your cat truly loves you. Number 1. Slow blinks. Soft eyes mean your cat feels safe. Blink back slowly. That gentle look means trust. Number 2. Head bumps. Your cat is saying you are family. Number 3. Showing the belly. This means comfort and trust. But trust is not always a belly rub. Let your cat choose. Number 4. Leading you. Those little paws show affection. Leading means your cat feels calm, safe, and happy near you. Following you everywhere. Your cat wants to stay close. When your cat stays near you, it is choosing your company. Number 6. Bringing gifts. Even a toy mouse can mean love. Follow Pet Wise Stories for more heartwarming pet facts and stories.